Level 8, we're doing it in JavaScript. It's called How Much Water Do I Need? As always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try the challenge out before watching the video. The best way to learn JavaScript is to bang your head. Then, if it feels hopeless and you can't get over the hump, you've got the video to fall back on. The other great way to learn JavaScript is with repeated practice. So subscribe to the channel. That way you're notified every time I post one of these and you can do them with me. So let's get started. We have a washing machine that uses water amount and water to wash and the load, JavaScript, Python, max load. If you are given clothes, amount of clothes to wash for each single item of clothes above the load, the washing machine will use 10% more water, multiplicative, that's a big word, to clean. So for example, if the load is 10, the amount of water it requires is 5, which I guess is half. I missed that part. I'm kind of going through this too fast. Okay. The water it requires is 5, and the amount of clothes to wash is 14. Oh, I was saying if the load is this and the requirement there. So if you have 14, it's going to be 14 minus the base load. So you'd have 4 times 1.1. Okay. So they kind of gave you the formula here. You just got to know your variables and then flip them. So let's just create off of that. So we're going to return the water, that's the 5 we see there, times 1.1 raised to the, okay, so it's going to be times, we're going to do math.pow, 1.1 raised to the load minus, or no, close minus load. Okay, that's if the, this is if it's, if you actually have more clothes than your load. I don't think we need negative water though if things get weird there. So what we'll do is if close is less than the load, and I think we just return the basic amount of water. Otherwise, we're incrementing, we're making the water grow. I think this might, I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see. Okay. To equal too much clothes. Oh, what are we doing here? Okay. Maybe I should pay attention. The washing machine also cannot handle any amount of clothes less than the max load. Oh, okay. So here we're going to return to, or it would be not enough clothes. Let's test that out. We're still going to have some fail because I have too much clothes here. Okay. And so the washing machine also cannot handle any amount of clothes less than the max load. If that is the case, not enough clothes. If the amount of clothes is more than 2 times the standard amount of load, okay, so let's do this edge case. So if the clothes is greater than load times 2, then we're going to return too much clothes. Too much clothes. Okay, let's test this out. Still got it. Oh, we're in I guess we got a round to the nearest decimal places. JS round, let's see. Math.round, probably some value. Second parameter would be a number. Round it to the nearest integer. That's not what I need. We need round to decimals. Let's see, somebody's on this. How to round at least 2 numbers. Okay, so math.round, multiply it times 100, then divide it by 100. Okay, so let's see if that works. So here we're going to do math.round that times 100 divided by 100. Got to get 2 decimals the old-fashioned way, I guess. All right, great job.